El Toro Chino stands for the Chinese bowl, but the restaurant actually features a mesh of Asian and Latin cuisines.
It's different.
Brisket enchiladas and fusion nachos with wonton chips.
Everything they do here is just very creative and unusual, I think.
Carnitas egg rolls and shrimp empanadas over sriracha bacon fried rice.
I thought it sounded odd to begin with, but it works. It's good.
It's fusion cooking at its finest, a style chef Gerry Reardon picked up from his time living in California and Mexico.
It's really taking, different elements of both styles of cuisine and combining them and using those ingredients that mesh well together.
He and his partners opened the restaurant on the west side of Norman.
We get quite a few people that are traveling up or down I-35 and look us up. Even a few of them have become regulars and stopping in a couple times a month when they're traveling.
Regulars like Tracy Ellis, who drives in from Edmond.
I was not familiar with the fusion type menu before we got here, but it's terrific.
It's been a great response. I think some people that maybe don't step outside of their comfort zone were hesitant at first, but then when they come in and see, it's just really a version of those two as comfort food, and it's something that's very approachable.
What was your favorite thing here?
Today, the nachos. They were really good. Had a little kick to them. Big serving. So I have some to take home.
I had the bowl, and it can be a bowl or a wrap, and it had shrimp and citrus rice and black beans, and that sounds a little odd, but it really tasted good.
For dessert, try the churro bowl filled with truffles mixed in a salted caramel gelato.
The churro is to die for. It is the smoothest ice cream I've ever had.
The restaurant also takes the fusion theme to the bar, where along with a 50-bottle wine list, they whip up some signature cocktails.
Just like with our food, everything's made from scratch. We juice our own watermelon juice, we make all of our simple syrups, all our fresh fruits, combined just make some really classic drinks.
They also do catering, allowing Gerry to create even more dishes.
I like all aspects of the restaurant business, but I really like being a chef, being back there, working with my crew and developing things and really getting people, making them happy through food.
In Norman, I'm Deanne Stein for Discover Oklahoma.